So this week's perennial pick is Niagara Falls Panicum. And if you want high drama with zero effort, this is it. Unlike most upright switchgrasses, this one has wide powder blue blades that arch gracefully like a cascading waterfall. It's hardy in zones 4 through 9, and it hits a full 4 feet tall and wide at maturity. Niagara Falls Panicum is deer and rabbit resistant, drought tolerant, and it handles heat, poor soil, and even salt like a champ, and it doesn't even need fertilizer. It's also very beneficial to the wildlife, and it's a larval host for many of the skipper butterflies, and it provides vital winter cover for birds. So don't cut it back until early spring, about 4 to 6 inches above the ground before the new growth emerges. This one is also on my budget-friendly list. You can divide it every spring for free plants. I just turned one plant into two, and they'll both be full size by fall. And I could have also divided them into smaller clumps and probably got about 3 or 4 plants out of it. Overall, this week's perennial pick gets a 10 out of 10. Niagara Falls Panicum is one of those that just adds so much beauty and movement and texture to your garden. I honestly couldn't imagine mine without it. Be sure and hit that subscribe button and follow along so you can see next week's perennial pick. Thanks, everyone.